Rights and duties of pawnor. Rights of pawnor. Right to get back goods on the performance of promise or repayment of loan with interest. If any, the pawnor is entitled to get back the goods placed. Right to redeem debt, where pawnor makes default in payment of the debt or performance of the promise within the stipulated time, he may still redeem the goods placed at any subsequent time before the actual sale of them. In that case, he should also pay any expenses arising out of his default. Preservation and maintenance of the goods. The pawnor has a right to ensure that the pawnee, like Bailey, properly preserves the goods placed. Right of unpaid debtor. The pawnor has further rights of an unpaid debtor which are conferred on him by various statutes meant for the protection of debtors. Redeem the goods placed. The pawnor has the right to get back the goods by repaying the debt or performance of the promise. Where the time for repayment of debt or performance of promise is fixed, the pawnee should redeem the goods before expiry of the period so fixed. However, pawnor can exercise his right to get back the goods even after expiry of the time so fixed until the pawnee has sold the goods. Right to sue. If the pawnee fails to perform any of his duties, the pawnor has a right to file a suit to enforce such duties. Duties of pawnor. Repay the loan or perform the promise. The most important duty of the pawnor is to fulfill his obligation as specified in the contract of pledge. Pay expenses in case of default. In case of non-fulfillment of his obligation, the pawnor must compensate the pawnee with the expenses incurred by the pawnee for preservation of goods. Such expenses shall be calculated from the date of default to the date of actual payment of debt or performance of promise.